in there? Open that package. What's in that package? Get it. Let's look in here.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh.
Ooh. Show mommy. Show mommy.
Stickers.
Got stickers?
Show mommy. Hold it up and show mommy. Turn it around.
Oh.
Oh, on both sides are dinosaurs. Woo!
And then this back.
And that's monster. Oh, look at here at the Ooh, look at these dinosaurs. Oh. Ooh.
It's these.
Let's see.
Those are some different. You can get them out?
Pop knows what to send that baby, don't he?
Yeah. He sends it to me. What
He's-
is that?
I don't
A
know.
dragon?
Yeah, some kind of dragon.
Yeah.
It is. Here.
Those are some dinosaurs under.
Yeah, we gotta get the tape off of it.
That's the. Gonna have to get the tape off.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, I'm working on it.
Yeah. Let's work on it. That's a dragon.
Yes, it is, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, I got it now. All right, let's get this open.
What's on the back?
No,
What's on the back?
some dinosaurs again. All right, let's get them out. Pull them out. Can you pull them out now? Oh,
Those packages are so difficult.
here,
Where?
here. Help, Granny. Pull.
Oh.
Here, pull. You pull. Pull. Here, you pull it. Pull it. Oh, there you go. Show mommy. Show mommy. Turn it around and show mommy. Say, look, mommy and my dinosaurs.
My dinosaurs on this one.
Who gave
I
those to you?
see.
My Pop. Pop sent them to me.
Pop sent them to me. All right.
And then you
You want me to try to get them out?
Yeah.
Oh goodness gracious.
Yes, those are tapes.
All right, say thanks, Pop.
Thanks, Pop.
Love you.
Love you. I love you. I love you, Pop.
Oh, wait.